She's standing by the corner store. Neon flickers, rain on the floor. People pass like she's not there. Headphones on, eyes in the air. She says, spare a little change. They turn away, pretend it's strange. It's colder than it looks tonight. City sleeps under broken lights. You see her face for a second or two, but tell yourself there's nothing you can do. Oh, think twice, it's just another night outside. For you it's warm and safe inside, but she's still out there in the cold. Oh, think twice before you close your eyes tonight. Someone's losing one more fight while we're just living our own lives. It's just another night outside. He's holding cardboard, words in blue. Got laid off, got kids, it's true. Cars roll past, windows tight, red tail lights fade into night. You say it's not your place to care, that life's not always fair, but every story has a name, and every silence shares the blame. You scroll away, you change the view, but what if it were you? Oh, think twice, it's just another night outside. For you it's warm and safe inside, but they're still out there in the cold. Oh, think twice before you turn away the light. Someone's barely holding tight while we're just drifting through our lives. It's just another night outside. Oh, we build our walls, we lock our doors. We say we've seen it all before, but mercy's knocking soft and slow, and we don't even know. A little kindness, small and true, might be the only thing that gets them through. So think twice, it's not just another night outside. It's someone's world we're walking by. It's someone's daughter, someone's son.